In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Gimp error that says, "Error renaming temporary file, permission denied." This is a really common issue, and it usually happens when Gimp tries to save a file using its normal safe saving process, but something on your computer blocks the final rename step. The good news is, this is usually easy to fix once you know what's causing it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Now let's jump right in. First, it helps to understand what Gimp is actually doing. When you save or export a file, Gimp doesn't always overwrite the original file directly. Instead, it creates a temporary file in the same folder, and then it renames that temporary file to replace your original. That method is safer, but if another app, sync service, or security feature is watching that folder, the rename can fail with a permission denied message. One of the most common causes is cloud syncing. If you're saving directly into a OneDrive, Dropbox, or Google Drive folder, your cloud client may be locking the file for a split second while it tries to upload it. That tiny conflict is enough to stop Gimp from completing the save. To test this, pause syncing temporarily in your cloud app, then try saving again in Gimp. If that works, you found the issue. A better long-term fix is to work locally first. Save your Gimp project to a normal folder on your computer that is not inside a synced directory, like a simple local projects folder or a temp folder on your main drive. Once you finish editing, you can move or copy the final file into your cloud folder later. That usually avoids the permission conflict completely. Now, if you're on Windows, there's another important setting to check called Controlled Folder Access. This is part of Windows security, and it is designed to protect folders like Documents, Desktop, and Pictures from unauthorized changes. The problem is that it can sometimes block Gimp from renaming its temporary file, even though you're the one using the app. To fix that, open the Start menu and search for Controlled Folder Access. Open it, then look for the option that says Allow an app through Controlled Folder Access. Click Add an allowed app, then browse for the Gimp executable, which is usually gimp.exe. Once you allow it, Windows should stop blocking those save operations. If you still want an even simpler workaround, move your working files to a custom folder outside the protected system locations. For example, you could create something like /gimp projects / on your main drive and use that instead of saving directly to desktop or documents. That often avoids Windows Defender restrictions and makes Gimp saving much more reliable. If the error still appears after that, double check whether the file itself is open somewhere else, whether you have full write permission to the folder, and whether any backup or sync software is still active in the background. In most cases though, the fix is either pausing Cloud Sync, working in a local folder, or allowing Gimp through Windows security. So to recap, the error happens because Gimp creates a temporary file and then renames it, and something else is blocking that final step. Pause OneDrive, Dropbox, or Google Drive if you're saving in a synced folder, use a local folder instead, and on Windows, allow Gimp through controlled folder access if needed. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.